What is dentist in Korean? Dentist in Korean is
치과의사, 치과의사.
again. Dentist in Korean is
치과의사.
How do you write chigwa isa in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable chi, we need to draw a chiat and e character. For the second syllable kwa, we need to draw a giok, o, and a characters. For the third syllable e, we need to draw a placeholder iyang, followed by an u character, followed by an e character. And for the last syllable sa, we need to draw a siot and a character.
And with that you've already learned what is dentist in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is lunch in Korean? Lunch in Korean is
점심, 점심.
congrats. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.